How to make nature's penicillin. Nature's penicillin is simple and inexpensive to be made. It can be used to effectively treat the following purposes: colds and flus, sore throat, infections, respiratory problems, and a general immune system strengthener. Restorative power in nature. The only hope of better things is in the education of the people in right principles. Let physicians teach the people that restorative power is not in drugs, but in nature. Disease is an effort of nature to free the system from conditions that result from a violation of the laws of health. In case of sickness, the cause should be ascertained. Unhealthful conditions should be changed, wrong habits corrected. Then nature is to be assisted in her effort to expel impurities and to re-establish right conditions in the system. Here is a list of natural remedies. Pure air, sunlight, abstemiousness, resting, exercise, proper diet, the use of water, trust in divine power. These are the true remedies. Every person should have a knowledge of nature's remedial agencies and how to apply them. It is essential both to understand the principles involved in the treatment of the sick and to have a practical training that will enable one rightly to use this knowledge. Follow these steps to make nature's penicillin. Ingredients: 1 grapefruit, 1 orange, 1 lemon, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 of an onion, 3 drops of peppermint oil, optional. Directions: 1. Peel and cut fruits and onion into pieces. 2. Place them in a blender with enough water so that the mixture can turn in the blender. 3. Blend well and add the peppermint oil at the end. What dosage of nature's penicillin should you consume? For the adult, 1 cup a day. For children, 1/2 cup a day. Note: this amount is not taken all at once, but a spoonful at a time, periodically throughout the day. When ready to use, warm before serving. This will surely help you overcome a lot of sicknesses naturally. God has given us the right things to cleanse our bodies from all type of diseases without the use of drugs or pills. Enjoy. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3. Give it a like.